YouTube Wagwan, man, you're tuning into Click React, and today we got a video from Cut, and it's called Match Baby to the Parent, man. I think this should be pretty straightforward, especially if there's like biracial kids in this. So I think I'll do well on this challenge, man. Guys, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. You can do that right now. Drop a like, comment down below. Let me know, comment down below. Let me know if you think you would have got all babies right in this challenge, man. We're just gonna get right into it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Hi.
Hello.
Would you say you're a baby person?
Baby, no. Kid, older, yes.
I am.
If she's one of the
know.
guessers,
Little
she's
ones,
getting
I
it
like
right.
them.
Every time
Kinda
this
like
lady,
puppies.
every time this lady's on the cut, everything, she's getting it right.
I see your shirt says girl dad.
I am a girl dad. Well, one girl dad, and then I'm also a boy dad. I have 4 boys, 1 girl.
What's your favorite thing about being a father?
It's like
That's a good
unconditional
lineup.
love. I was into gangs and all kinds of bad stuff when I was younger, and each kid just made me a little bit like softer.
I had my kids young, and I was kind of like a helicopter parent. And what I've learned as I've gotten older and
'cause
had kids
she don't
at a
look like she has
different
5 kids.
to just let them kind of live and make the mistakes. You can't protect them from everything.
Have you ever babysat a baby before?
I have. It's fine until you're having to clean up shit and
I'm sure.
vomit and all that stuff, but that's about it.
Are you ready to see these little poopies?
I'm ready.
Oh no, they're so cute.
What do these babies look like? They belong with these people.
Because they seem all very calm in your guys' arms. So,
Right.
you sure those aren't their babies?
So we see.
Well, let's go ahead and start. Just kind of like look at the babies and see which one you want to move first.
Okay.
You are so cute, and you are yeah.
Can I grab the baby? Can I grab the baby? Hi, how are you? Oh, no.
Yeah, get out of here,
This
man.
baby. Oh, that's not even your dad.
Okay.
Oh, hi.
What are you checking for right now, Bella?
Just dancing.
This is her baby. Because that baby looks like it got a little mixed in him. I got some mixed kids myself. You see that? Just chilled. Or do you just not like me?
Yeah.
Do you want me to give this a whirl?
That's not her baby.
This is a hard baby. Look at, you got reddish hair. Ain't nobody got reddish hair. I would just like go there first, you know,
'Cause she's
because
white?
you're the lightest person in the group, but you cannot judge because my babies are all different colors.
Mommy. 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 Mommy.
Okay, that's it. You're getting her.
Oh, look at.
That might
look at-
be her mom
She
still.
wanted to go to you. That looks comfortable. So whose baby are you?
Yeah, those two are right so far, I think.
This one's so calm. We're just gonna go walking around.
This is a cutie baby here. You are all fitted.
Oh no. Okay, hold this baby. Wait, let's switch babies. You take this baby. No dropping the baby.
Ooh, who are you? I'm gonna go right here.
I
I don't
agree
know
with that
why,
one too.
but I just feel this.
These are the same people. These are the same people. Yeah, this is your baby, and this is your baby. Yeah, I'm good at this. I also have twins. You see this? Professional twin mom. Okay, this one is your baby. Can you read that? Is that daddy? Is that, ooh, wants to jump out of my arms. That's your
Yo, I
baby.
told you,
Let
man,
me
this
see.
lady.
Oh, that's that, baby. That's that.
I'm trying to get the feeling. I'm trying to see like if they react. You know? No, you don't. Yeah, you reacted to me. See, if it does this to somebody, it's not their baby.
Can I pick you up? Yeah, let's go. Oh,
That's the
my
gangster
God,
daddy.
You're a
That baby
heavyweight.
is definitely the one holding
You
the.
can walk?
Yeah, this baby.
I love that.
How you standing? Oh, look at. Everybody stand like that. Yeah, see.
Men doing them
Okay.
crossovers.
See, I knew that was his daddy. That's your daddy.
That's his baby. He redesigned it in the womb. His sperm said, and clone. Everybody's kids look like them. Not that one. I mean, let's just keep that 100.
Yo, that is so funny.
It's okay. I'm sticking to it. This is my story.
I think I got it.
Yeah, I think that's
I could
accurate.
be totally wrong. I probably.
it's
am.
the only
Okay.
one.
All right, raise your hand if Raymond got you right.
Can I look?
Yep.
Yeah, I think this one's pretty easy.
What are you talking about?
Turn around.
Ew, how did that
Okay, turn
lady
around.
produce this white baby like that, bro? But they do say that comes, black women produce any kid, to be honest. But that kid don't look like her. I want to see the dad.
Well, that's not
going
so
wrong.
bad.
Come on up.
Oh.
My name's Dominic. This is Adrian.
Hi, buddy. This your only kid?
Yeah, that's my only son.
That's what's up. You like being a dad?
Yeah, keeps me on my toes for sure.
Yeah, I'm telling you, I got 5, so I'll be busy, man. Wait till they get teenagers, then you're really gonna be tripping.
How many hours of sleep do you
I
get a
bet.
night?
Depends on the night.
Ooh,
Yeah,
see,
you
so
know-
I'm gonna tell you what my doctor
My mom was literally just talking to me about that, about like how when you have a baby, like you have to be up every 2-3 hours. Like, damn, bro, like, I don't want to deal with
said.
that.
However many months they are, that's how many hours of sleep you should be getting. So you might got to let the baby cry, but I know it's difficult because you are such a kid. You're such a kid.
Come on, Daryl. This your baby.
This is Maya. She's 15 months old, and I'm Anastasia.
And can I ask, is the dad white?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do people think that
Yeah.
that's not your kid?
Yeah. We get the, how did you get that hair question a lot.
Yeah.
What's the hardest part about being a parent?
Juggling it all, like finding time for yourself while also giving, while also giving them like as much present attention as you can. But
Oh, that's another thing with babies.
Yeah,
Look at her mom's shirt.
on you.
This your
That's what
baby.
she's eating.
See that poker face.
I'm Amara and this is Carmelo.
Hi, Carmelo.
You
I
say
like
hi?
your name. Only baby you got?
Yeah, this is my only baby.
How is it?
He's a handful.
Handful,
For
yeah.
how young he is a handful.
You
Is
guys
he
probably
like a-
spoil his ass.
Thrower.
He throws and hits. He's really gotten into smacking. He's got his 2 bottom teeth coming in, so he makes sure he tries to bite now.
Can I see your? Can I see your? Can I see? Oh no! I don't
babies are
even
funny.
mind that your hands are slobbery.
I'm Jaquay, and this is Jare.
Jare,
Yeah.
like the name, dude.
Thank you.
I do a lot of people say y'all look alike.
Man, all the time.
Yeah, it's the eyes, man.
All the time.
Yeah,
That kid
yeah.
gonna be
You
bad
are
as
a
hell.
big ball. You be getting into stuff. I could tell. You know what? How many kids do you have?
I got 4.
4 is an amazing number. Oh, God. Yeah. That's why you so rough. You see, you got one of them dads that just be roughhousing you.
What's your favorite thing to do with your son?
Just being around.
Yeah.
Kids are amazing at niche, especially you got a lot of them.
Yeah.
Everybody's got their own personality, man. So just being
I
around
bet.
them and experiencing, seeing them grow who they are.
And just watching them
yeah.
like do things, and you're just laughing
Yeah,
like I
exactly.
can't believe I made that.
Yeah,
Holy crap.
exactly.
Yeah, that's what matters, man.
Most
Just being
definitely.
there and showing up, man. Well, it's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet
This
you.
kid gonna be bad as hell.
Yeah.
Bro. That's for.
What's your name?
That's
My name
facts.
is Alma, and this is Nenekua.
This one's looking through my soul right now. You like those glasses, don't you?
What have you learned the most out of having your first kid?
That raising a child takes a lot of sacrifice.
It's true.
bet.
But what I want you to remember too, like out of that sacrifice, go ahead and do self-care too. Because sometimes, like I had my kids and I sacrificed so much. You know what happened? I forgot
neglected
myself.
Yeah,
And then I wasn't the
obviously.
best mom I could
Yes.
be. So that first batch of kids got crappy mom because she was thinking she was sacrificing so much. And then the last batch got mediocre mom because, you know, she's kind of tired and old now. But they got better version.
Yeah.
How was that?
It'd be like
It was
that.
amazing. I was like a little nervous because, you know, it's babies and you don't want to make them cry. But
That's facts too. That's another thing. When he was like, "Yo, can I hold it or whatever?" I'm like, can you hold people's kids like that? Like, can you randomly?" But yeah, that was a good one. I think it was easy though. I think this was one of the easier challenges. But we'll be back with another challenging one, man. Let me know if you guys got it right though. I'll see you guys later.